Hello. Today I would like to show you this Handry vacuum cleaner. Doesn't have a power, and I checked the fuse. The fuse is perfect, it's working fine. So there's a problem with the motor, either with the cable or for maybe the switch. So I'm not sure what's wrong with this. So I would like to check what's wrong with this one. First, I just want to plug in and show you. You can see there's no power. It's power off. Nothing is happening. So I just want to unplug it first. Open this part. Put it down. To open this one, so you need a screwdriver, or might be a torque screwdriver. I think for this one I need a torque screwdriver. This is the screwdriver, and there's a, as you can see, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. So we have to unscrew these, all these 7 screws. Make sure before you open these screws you unplug the power cable from the main power, because this is quite dangerous. So I've got some screws left here, and I've got 2 screws here. So I just want to put this one on one side. This is my motor. You can see this is a perfect motor. It's like new. This is the cable part. Just want to first check this one. It's a does it have a power or not? I just plugged it in. I've got a screwdriver. It's showing the power. There's a small light. When you touch this part with your finger, and if you see here, so you can see there's a power. The light is on. There's a power as well. Here's the power. This one. I just want to open this part, check the switch. There's the power is coming to this one or not. So I will put it down this way. So, unplug. Put this in there. So you can see here, I just want to plug it on again. the power was there, but here is no power, and the light is off. I want to check with this one, is the power here or not? Oh, showing a power here as well. There's a power. Oh, to be honest, this is so funny. I think I have to check this line. Maybe problem with this one, because this is it's got like a positive, negative. I check this one. If there's a positive is power on, and the negative shouldn't be power. If there's a two, both of them is a power. So that means this cable is problem with this cable. So the power is not coming to this one. The power is coming, but not to the power's need. This it doesn't come the power's need. So I'll check this one first, and have unplugged again. Power off. Take this one. Put that in this. Oh shit. Put the cover on. I would like to open these 3 screws from here, 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, there's a positive and negative. Just want to check if the cable is okay. I just want to plug it into the main power. Oh, this is power on there. There's a power. This one shouldn't be a power here, but I've got the power there as well. I think this is the problem with this cable. This is the long cable. So I have to unplug it and open this too. I need a flip screwdriver. No, sorry. I need a torque here. So I've got this. This is only the cable. I want to check this cable from here. This is a positive, this is negative. Positive always with the power, negative no power. I want to check this one. Yep, there's a power. Yep, this one is. Yep, both of them has a power. That's mean this cable is problem with the cable. I need to change this cable, and vacuum is working perfectly fine. So in this case, I found out this is the problem with this cable. I need to change this cable. I'll show you. I'll change it. I will try to change this cable, and then I'll show you how is it work. I've got a. I've got a little bit like a small cable to show you. It's just the problem was with the cable. So I just want to put this cable negative to negative. And this is the positive goes to positive. And I'd like to plug it in and check it out. This one is no power. This negative, no power. The positive has a lot of power. There's a little light is on here. So I just want to try this one on the vacuum and to see how it's working. Just I want to unplug this power first. I unplugged it. I'd like to put this one back here. So this one is, I don't need this cable from here. Okay, so yep. This one is here. I've got the motor here with me. Put the motor here. This one goes on the top of this one. I just want to plug this one in. You can see there's the light is on and the machine is running fine. Light is on, switch is working. The problem was with the cable. This cable need to be replaced. So I hope you liked it, and please subscribe, like, and put your thumb up. Thank you very much. Thanks for your watching.